Definitely a different size right here. It's crazy. Wheel's gonna be sitting pretty low. Yo, this is crazy. What's up, y'all? Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Happy Friday. And today I'm gonna be finger crossed, because last time I said this, something ended up happening. But today, right now, I'm on my way to get these lowering springs that I had for about over 2 months now, and my coilovers. About to get these installed on this truck today. So I'm gonna just pretty much record. It's not a how-to, but I'm gonna show you guys like the step of it being done to my truck. And pretty much these are the coilovers that's in here. These are for 5th generation Ram. So, but they do fit the 4th generation. Just require just a slightly modification, and pretty much it'll fit pretty much like both on. So I'm just gonna show you guys the process of it being done, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looked after. So this truck gonna be sitting at a 2.4. So 2 in the front, 4 in the back. So it's gonna be sitting pretty low. Can't wait. Definitely excited about this, man. It's one of the mods that I've been waiting on for a minute now, and we actually getting it done today. Beautiful day today here in PA. It's about, I think right now it's like 67 degrees right now. It's supposed to be 72, which is a perfect day. Last time I tried to get it done, it was rainy, cold, and it was kind of sucks. But today we are finally getting it done. So if you're here for your first time on the channel, I need you guys to support the channel, subscribe to the channel, definitely like, comment, and the more you support the channel, the more I could be able to do stuff with this truck, and I would definitely appreciate it. If you're a fan of Mopar, these 4th generation Ram, also just overall trying to support, definitely click that like, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment. But I'm on my way right now to get these lowering spring put on the truck. All right, y'all, just got these are the rare shocks, well, springs, lowering springs. Nothing crazy, just a little simple belt tack. These belt tack, this is the parts number right here. So this is a 4-wheel drive pretty much. Tell he's been on this car for a long time. Those are factory shocks from Dodge. Crazy. These are crazy. It's crazy how big these springs is, man. They definitely gonna be a little bit longer when he. Yeah. Jeez. He's definitely been on the truck for a while. Off.
They give you the spring bar lengths.
Oh, it's in there?
Yeah, they're in there.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, because see how long the other ones are?
Oh, shit. I didn't even realize that.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you guys the difference from stock springs.
The spring there.
And those are the lower.
I'm not using them. I'm done with them. You shouldn't really need it.
So
but
these are under pressure right now. So these are the new. I know those are a little bit longer, so they definitely got to be longer than that.
That's compressed right now. They're about the same size compressed.
That's crazy. Gotta be at least right here.
Let me get the compressor off this. Put it on that.
Holy shit. Let me try to grab. Dang. There's definitely a different size.
Yep.
Let's see if I can take these out. Definitely a different size right here. It's crazy. So these are Beltec 4-inch lowering springs. And these are the stock Dodge Ram, obviously, lowering springs. So it is a huge difference. But you guys can see, the back is not really that. Damn, this.
That was on the bottom, right? Was this on the top or the bottom? You noticed?
This
That
was
on the
on.
top, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so everything's-
So the shocks I have is from Max Track suspension. So these are the numbers.
Coming down.
Going down, going down. Oh shit. Yo. She sits. See? She ain't that too low. Perfect height. See?
Yeah.
It's-
Definitely went down though. You can definitely see it went down.
Yeah. I mean, it's still got to be breaking into, but it sits at just where I wanted it to be at. Damn, that's crazy. Look how low she is now. I can see in the bed. Holy shit. Now I just got to do the front. Yeah, it makes a huge difference.
Yeah, big difference. You're squatting down.
It just make these tires look humongous though.
And you're squatting in the back.
Yeah. It's crazy. Huge difference. Wow. So you want me to turn around now?
Yeah.
All right, let me turn around. So these are all the parts that came off stock. Rear suspension spring. Got the shocks. And then I forgot the name of those, but I got those off too. But now, gotta start with the front. But yeah, this is a whole process pretty much. And if you're wondering, this is the parts number. So 15005 Beltec coilover kit. I know it says 19 plus. Ram 1500. It is a 5th generation coilover springs, but if you buying these, you got to be the non-classic. He's doing the front side. Doing the front side now. Slide right past.